Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So if you remember this video I had shot long back, it was related with the rain gutter, and these were my Graptoveria Titubans that were completely dehydrated. Most probably they were stem cuttings and they did not have any roots, but over the period of time they have changed. So I wanted to give you a 2 months update on them. So this was the plant that we were talking last time, and then someone pointed out what are the succulents next to it which were very dehydrated. So those were my Graptoveria Titubans that were extremely dehydrated, and now you can see how beautifully they have opened up. Now there are a lot of ants. I have to take care of them. Probably because of the rains, the ants have also started to come in and they are going to create an havoc. So I have to take care of the ants very soon. But nevertheless, these are my Graptoveria Titubans. You can see they are extremely well hydrated at this point of time. All of the leaves are wide open. Probably at that period of time, I had done a stem cutting. I don't remember. That's why it was very dehydrated. The leaves were closed inwards because I had not watered them because they did not have roots. But as and when I felt that the plant was stiff in the soil, because by touching it I felt that the plant was stiff, so I went ahead and started watering it, and after that they started to open up. So this indicates that they have well established roots at this point of time, so they are able to absorb that water. They are no longer dehydrated. You can see all of them have opened up as compared to the previous video, so they are doing extremely well. Now after this I shouldn't water them because they are well hydrated, so I'm discontinuing the watering for a couple of days until the leaves start closing a little bit inwards. Right now they are wide open, which indicates that they are well hydrated. I think I might have probably watered them 2 days back, so right now they are looking absolutely fine. This also indicates that the roots are well formed, they are healthy, and the soil is loose and porous, which is helping them absorb that water. So I just wanted to give you a clip on this, how the succulent looked earlier. It was very dehydrated. It looked very sick, but now you can see it is completely opened up. They're doing extremely well. This is some other variety. I think this is probably elegance. It has got some sunburn, but that's absolutely fine. It will do quite well. So that was all about this video. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.